So I don't know if you know, guys, the Freewell filters, and they're a great brand, good quality. I've just got my first set of ND filters from Freewell, especially for the Mini 4 Pro. So there will be videos coming shortly on how these work. But I thought one of the things I want to put across right at the beginning, I don't know if you know, you spent your money on that Mini 4 Pro. It's a very expensive drone, I must say. But did you know that your camera is not protected properly? And what I'm on about, on the front there, you would think that's got a screen on it, but it hasn't. So if I just remove this filter here, all that is a hole. And if I stick my pen through it, just to prove that that's not even a filter. So your lens is there. So if you was flying, especially if you're doing the obstacle avoidance or the active track and you hit a twig or something, there's a good chance you're going to damage your filter. Well, not your filter, but you're going to damage your lens on your camera. So what I suggest, even if you don't want to pay out a huge amount of money on the ND pack, that's fair enough. But what I would suggest is get one of their UV filters. So hopefully, I'm not going to stick my pen through that, but that's the UV filter. Now that'll protect it from ultraviolet light as well, so that's another protection. You just put it on, you just twist it, he says. Let's get this on. Okay, there it is. So what you do, to take it off, you actually twist it anti-clockwise, and to put it on, you twist it clockwise. And just to give you another idea, because hopefully it's not blurred, that's when it's on. So I'll be showing you all the different sorts of filters. We've got the ND16, ND32, ND64, ND128, ND256, ND512, ND1000. We've got the SMISTI. We got the UV filter. We got the LPR CPL. Then we got all the other different filters. I mean, God, I could go on the list, can I? But obviously, if you check out Freewell's website, there will be a link below in the video. You can check out all the different packs that they do. But like I said before, in the coming weeks, I'll be taking you through some of the ND filters that you can put on your drone to get that nice video shot. So, as always, guys, keep watching. I'll catch you on the next video.